Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to list all the words starting with vowels in a given input paragraph. So given a text or an input paragraph to the program, so you have to find all the words containing a vowels. So this is a 6-line code. So let's try to write a Python program. So let me take a variable that is text equals to, so let me use input function, and here let's ask a user to enter a paragraph. So once the user enters the paragraph, so it will be stored in text, that is a variable. So now let's take a vowels and let's declare the vowels present in the English alphabet. So A E I O U and capital A E I O U are the vowels present. So we are generally declaring inside the program itself. And now what we have to do is check if the words start with vowels. So before that, so let me use a print statement, and inside the print statement, so let's say words starting with vowels are, let's give dot dot dot. So this is a user friendly message that I have printed. And now let's iterate all the words and check the starting character of each word. So let's use for word in, let's take text dot, I'll use a split function. So this is an inbuilt function that will split by the space. So this will give us the words present in the, that is a paragraph, step by step. So once we get the word, so we have to compare the first character of the word in vowels. So let's use it for word of 0, that is the first character is present in vowels. So what you have to do is just print the word. So that means the first character is a vowel. So let's print the word, and let's give end equals to some space. So this is a complete program to print the word starting with vowels. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So let me enter a paragraph. So let me copy the headline and let's paste it. So you can see words starting with vowels are a, all, in, a, and input. So that is aeiouAEIOU. So this is a complete program to, that is list all the words starting with vowels. I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.